Hi everybody, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and my purpose in this video is to provide an orientation to modules, which is our class Bible. Modules is the third tab in the left menu of Canvas. Now I'm going to use an English 103 class from winter 2023 as an example, as all of my Canvas classes are set up in exactly the same way in modules. Okay, so up at the top, we have important orientation information. Everything you need to know about the class is here, as well as help with Canvas and campus resources. We also have bonus points, which means extra credit, and it will be listed at the end of the orientation module. So this is the orientation module, and at the end will be the extra credit. What follows is all of the work in the class, all of the assignments set up in weekly to-do list order. We have week 1 for this winter 2023 class, week 2, and all the way down to the finals week is right here, and it'll be the same for our class. Okay, scrolling up to the top, I'm going to go over the setup of every module, which is always the same. Up at the top, we have objectives and text. We have what, why, and how we'll learn in week 1. We have that for every week. For example, we have that in week 2 and all the other weeks of the semester. So let's click on this tab and see what we find in here. We have the learning objectives. What it is that you will learn this week. They're all listed here. Next, we have readings and resources. These are all of our free online text. They are all right here with descriptions of what it is that these online texts are for, which assignment. And then we have, of course, resources. If you're going to make a video for an assignment, I have videos that show you how to make videos. What follows next is learning assistance. If you need help, all of this information is here, especially information about the immersive reader. Canvas can read to you if you want Canvas to read to you, and I made a YouTube video, very short YouTube video showing you how to use the immersive reader. And of course, you can see we have Canvas student support, tutoring, disabled students programs and services. All of that information is here. Okay, I'm going to click on modules again so we can view week 1, see an overview. What follows objectives and text is assignments. They're all listed here in weekly to-do list order, and they're followed by a summary, a wrap-up of the semester, what it is that we did, and how the assignments are connected, of course, to our 2 core student learning objectives. All right, I'm going to click on modules again and take us into the overview of this week. And I'm going to point out to you that every written assignment has an A example below it that you can click on and learn from. They're all here. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm over here in inbox, and I keep my office hours. So definitely ask me a question, email me. I'm here for you. I hope this video was helpful to you. And I am Nunu, your friendly teacher guide.